Show you how to find and use a $100 promo code for Grubhub. Whether you are ordering dinner or lunch, these tips will help you save big. So let's get started. Now all you have to do is start by searching for Grubhub promo code on Google. This will direct you to various coupon websites that may have current promo codes or special offers. After you do so, you will get to see various websites on your screen. Now check trusted coupon websites like RetailMeNotCoupons.com and Groupon for promo codes and discounts. These sites frequently list current Grubhub deals. Now, once you're inside the website, you will get to see a list of offers available there. Now scroll down and tap on the offer according to your preferences. Once you find a promo code, just make sure to verify its validity. Promo codes may have expiration dates or usage restrictions, so read the terms and conditions carefully. Now all you have to do is copy and paste the promo code on your Grubhub checkout, and that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.